Hey, Michael Fentner here again. I am going to show you how to make something really easy. I'm going to make sauteed spinach. Okay, this is a really simple recipe. We've basically got 4 ingredients. Well, actually 5 ingredients. I have a bag of baby leaf spinach. I've got a handful of raisins, a handful of pine nuts, some olive oil, and some garlic powder. So I have some olive oil on the bottom of my pan. Put a couple gloves in there. I'm going to put in my raisins and my pine nuts. I'm going to cook them up. And while this is going on, I'm going to sprinkle some garlic powder. And stir them up. It's kind of interesting to watch as the raisins get heated up. They tend to plump up. You may have seen in the background these locks on our fridge, and may have been wondering, well, what's that all about? We have a dog. His name is Muggsy, and he is very clever. Sometimes we suspect he has an opposable thumb. In the past, when we didn't have the locks, we would come home and he would make the most amazing messes. He would pull everything out of the fridge. So that explains why. As you can see, the raisins are getting real puffy. They're getting brown. The pine nuts are toasting up. And now I'm going to add the spinach. It looks like I'm putting a lot in here, but it tends to cook down. Eventually I will be able to get a whole bag in here. I'll turn down my heat. Had it on good authority that spinach is good for you. Builds muscles, gives you strength. I guess the experts can't be wrong. See all the raisins and pine nuts mixed in there. Some room to put some more spinach in. So there you have it, a fine vegetable dish in under 5 minutes. I cooked up some salmon. I put I used some cooking spray, put it in the oven with some Cajun seasoning on it, and I made some couscous, very easy to make. And here is the sauteed spinach. So there you have it. Easy sauteed spinach with pine nuts and golden raisins. And remember to wash your hands and don't touch your face.